So I recently wanted to install our TV on the wall, but I didn't want our cords hanging down, so I bought one of these wall cord hider things. That way I could plug my TV directly behind where it's sitting on the wall. The cord would go down behind the wall, and then get plugged in at the bottom. So real quick, I just wanted to show the installation process. First, you want to find your studs. That way you can drill your hole between the studs. And you're going to drill one hole at the top, and one hole at the bottom. Before feeding the cord through the wall, you'll want to pop off the faceplate, then feed the cord straight down. You might need small hands to find the cord from the bottom, so I had my wife's help, and she was able to grab it and pull it through.
Yeah, I helped you. You needed my help.
At that point, you want to tighten the screws on both the top and the bottom, and then install the faceplates back onto them. I felt like they don't install the most firm. There is a little give to them, a little bit of wiggle, but they are firm enough, and they will definitely stay in place. After that, just plug in the extension cord that connects this outlet to your main outlet, and it has power. So this is what my TV looks like now that it's all done. I really like that I don't have a cord hanging down. Just gives it a much more complete look. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. I'm Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, I'm on a quest to review literally everything sold on Amazon. So if there's something that you need a review of, literally just tell me. Let me know in a comment, and I'll literally buy it and just review it for you. Literally.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.